Well, here we are dropping off the loaner Beta 500 RRS 2019 that Beta USA loaned to me. Awesome bike. You can see all my riding videos and what have you. Just had me bring it over to Apex Sports here in Colorado Springs, which is convenient for me, but I picked it up at Moto Ventures up there in Loveland. They're awesome to deal with. Apex is awesome to deal with. Check them out, whatever's closer to you. There we have it. Sad to see you go by. Bye-bye, Beta. Are you thinking we should get an ATV? I don't know. I think everyone online would kill me if I got an ATV. Are you looking at sport bikes?
This is a sport.
That's a sport bike.
Oh my gosh.
I thought we were doing off-road bikes. That's reasonable. I could buy that with YouTube money. It's not bad.
I don't know.
Probably get a lot more views than the off-road stuff.
It's only $50.
Oh.
That's not that much.
Well, guys, what do you think about something like that? That would be pretty interesting with the extended tank. Light. I could do the NAR. And then Ella and I were both looking at these bikes. We were looking at maybe like an African twin. So that would be for my daughter and I. Something like that. It's the DCT transmission. Yeah, excuse the background noise. Had a dealer, so that happens. They still have a KLR. Anyone interested in KLR 650? Man, they're bulletproof bikes. I'm kind of considering, but I don't know, 7. I'd rather spend a little more and get like the African twin. My daughter apparently keeps getting attracted to these sport bikes. And of course, that caught my eye. That would be great for the NAR. It's a 2020 Evo 304 stroke sport 8828. Plus obviously other fees. Not bad.
1 and 3, please. Gym line 1 and 3.
So this is Apex, and yeah, I don't know. We're looking at bikes. We'll figure it out.